Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how the Cuttack Netaji bus terminal looks like. This is a new terminal and I'm standing at the entrance and you can see that there is a parking place available, neatly organized, and you have place for bikes and cars separately. And here if you keep walking you will see the garden on the right side, very neatly maintained, and it's very clean as well. The previous bus stand of Cuttack was not that good. It was not clean and it was smelly as well, to be very frank. But this bus stand is really nice and very neatly maintained. And you can actually come over with your car or using any public transport, and you can directly get down near the entrance. And at the entrance you can see there is a metal detector, and security scanner is also available, so you can scan your bags here as well. And very good place, very good sitting arrangement is there. You have ATMs, you have a desk to help you out, so this is a help desk. And also you can see many signs that where you should go, and this is also a hospital available there for the emergency care. And you also have a outpost available for any kind of disciplinary issues, right? And this is the help desk. And from the help desk, if we keep walking, I'm also coming here the first time, so I'm as well exploring the place. And here the vendors and lot of eateries are there, pretty neatly arranged, and you can buy something from here. And this is the platform from where you can catch the buses. Each platform is pin numbered, and from each platform specific destination buses starts, so you, as per your destination, you can always check that. And this is the clock room. You can keep your luggage there. And here, as we saw initially also, there are a lot of eateries available. You can pick some snacks from here. And now we are approaching towards the cafeteria. Okay, this looks nearly great, and it is written Ahar in Odia. Okay, we will go there, but let's see what's there till the end. Okay, so there is some other fancy stalls as well. That is ticket counter here, and the basic facilities like the restrooms are also available there. You can see here, so we have restrooms available for males and females, plus specially abled people as well. Okay, so now let's go into the Ahar restaurant and see how does it look like. The ambience is really nice. I never expected this kind of bus stand in Odisha. This has been, I think, open from past 2 years, but I have never been here. This is the first time I'm coming, and this really looks nice. So neatly maintained, wash machine areas, lighting, everything is very nice actually. This is the sitting arrangement here, and you have the food desk here. And just have a look at the place. Very neatly maintained, very clean, and the ambience is also very nice. I am repeating myself, but I cannot imagine this place in Cuttack, and that to a bus stand. Okay, because people who have visited the old bus stand, they will see a hell and heaven difference here. I'm really happy to see this kind of progress, and I also request everyone who is visiting bus stand to neatly maintain it. And now we are outside the Ahar, and we have come to the other corner to check that what other facilities are available in the bus stand. So the first thing, whenever we come to the bus stand, we want to see is there a resting place or not, right? So this is a waiting lounge. Let's go into the waiting lounge and see that how does it look like. Very big area actually, very spacious, very neat, and sitting arrangement is really nice. A lot of benches are there, and it is not crowded as well. And here you have a board from where it displays about the arrival and departure of the buses. And you have dustbins, so please use the dustbins. Let's keep our city clean. And you have a basic facility of drinking water, and the other side also we have facility for the restrooms, right? So this is really nice. Let's move forward. Let's see what is there at the other end. This waiting lounge is actually very big, and fans are there. You have ATMs, exit, all things are neatly mentioned for passengers' convenience. Let's walk forward and see how things looks like here. And yeah, so this place is ticket booking counter. So you have the Cuttack private bus on ticket booking counter is here, and just adjacent to that you have a Odisha state government ticket booking counter. And now we are coming outside from where we started actually, and we'll go out, so that exit on the other side. So see how big the fan is. I have seen this kind of fans in Chennai airport, as well some places in Bangalore, but this is the first time I'm seeing this in Cuttack bus stand. Now we are out of the bus stand, so really nice experience.